Hi, welcome back to our channel. For today's video is how to share Google Drive files on phone. So here's what people can do with folders after you share it with them. You can organize, add, and edit. If they're signed into a Google account, people can open, edit, delete, or move any files within the folder. People can also add files to the folder. Can view only. People can see the folder and they can open all files within the folder. So if you share or unshare folders with a lot of files or subfolders, it might take time before all permission change. If you change a lot of edit or view permissions at once, it may take time before you see the changes. In the meantime, to provide folder access for new collaborators, use the sharing URL of a file nested deeply inside the folder. Storage is counted against the person who uploaded the file, not the owner of the folder. When you manage large folder structures, child and parent folder permissions can be different. You can override inherited permissions of child folders to be different than the parent folder. You can also remove parent permissions from a child folder. So, like files, you can choose to only share with specific people that have a Google account. If you have a work or school account, you can also share files or folders with the group. So, now I'm on the Google Drive app. Now, select the folder you want to share. Then, for example, this one. Select share. Then, enter the email address you want to share with. To decide what role people will have the folder, you can select from viewer, commenter, or editor. If you use an eligible work or school account, you can use on the user's role to add an expiration date. Expiration date for folders are available for viewer and commenter roles in My Drive. You can also choose to notify the people. If you want to notify the people you shared an item with them, check the box next to notify the people. If you notify people, each email address you enter is included in email. If you don't want to notify people, uncheck the box. Just press send if you're done with it. So that's it. I hope that this video helps. If you have any questions or comments, kindly put it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!